a great choice today with the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, heated front seats, security system, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.